Before I take you to the sunny day of Germany with Miss Tanya and her daughter, which they are going for the shopping and we're gonna be with them, I want to ask you one point. Normally, these videos which I am creating for our forum following two purposes. One is for entertainment and the second one is for education. What I can see up to now is that the videos which are showing the lifestyle after amputation, they are watched much more than the videos which are mainly for education and mainly for CPOs all around the world. Please let me know from which country of this big huge world you are watching my videos. Please let me know which kind of videos you like to see more and I'm gonna make it for you. Fantastic work was done by our colleagues in Ottobock, Duderstadt. Let's go and watch this video.
Hello, I'm Katja. I'm 43 years old, and this is my daughter, Lotta. She's 15. We do a lot together, but our biggest shared hobby is shopping. I'm not the type of person who wants to stand out, so I'm happy to have a custom silicone cover that gives me the freedom to decide for myself whether or not to stand out. Because we're always on the go, and not just when we're shopping, the prosthesis gets a lot of use, which isn't a problem with the silicone cover. It's also great that I can always wear different shoes. Open, closed, always match to my outfit. My new silicone cover gives me the confidence to wear skirts, shorts, and open-toe shoes in the summer without feeling like I stand out.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please let me know, write it down, write as a comment to me which part of the videos you like more, you like me to explain to you about the content, all the details from the content, or you would like me to be less in the videos and to watch the main video. Please let me know. This is very important for me because I'm spending a lot of time finding this content, creating this content, making that together and make it ready for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with everyone and be my supporter in this long journey. God bless you. Stay healthy.